Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is the Cajun on Cooking with the Cajun. Today we're going to cook some Ragin Cajun Jambalaya. And we got some crawfish from Champy's Famous Fried Chicken that we peeled. And we've got some Andouille sausage from Main Street Meats in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So we're getting ready to cook Andouille sausage before we start putting the jambalaya together. So stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, we got to turn our control freak on. There we go, now we're getting ready. Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's the Cajun on Cooking with the Cajun, and today we got some crawfish from Champy's Famous Fried Chicken in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we're peeling them so we can use them in our jambalaya and our gumbo. So stay tuned. And we're going to have some good food for y'all coming up soon. So we're going to peel these crawfish and get ready to cook us some jambalaya. So I had 4 pounds of crawfish from Champy's. Now I have peeled them all. I ate a few. And that's what I have out of the 4 pounds. To use for my jambalaya. I probably won't have enough for the gumbo, so we'll have to maybe get some shrimp for the gumbo. So we're going to get started preparing our jambalaya here in a second, and this is what we're going to have right here, folks. The Ragin Cajun Jambalaya. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start cutting up our sausage. We've got our little bubble blade knife here. Check this nice knife out, a bubble blade. We're going to use it to cut up our sausage that we got from Main Street Meats.
Start cutting our sausage here.
We're going to cut some coin shape. There we go. So we got our Andouille sausage in the pot that we got from Main Street Meats. And we're cooking it down, gonna brown it on one side. We gotta check it, matter of fact. So I got my faithful fork. There we go, we can turn it. Got a little brown action going there, just enough. All right, there we go. Look at that, how good that looks right there.
So turn the heat.
So now what we're going to do, we're going to move this to the warmer. We're going to get ready for our jambalaya mix now. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got our jambalaya mix. Look at that with all its seasons in there. From my Ragin Cajun Authentic Jambalaya. There it is. That's 2.5. Crawfish tails. I only had enough to use it for one dish. Now we're going to stir in the mix. Turn it up. We're going to go to 225. And we'll let it come to a boil. So now we're boiling. We're going to come down to a simmer. So we're going to leave it at 180 and let it simmer and soak for a while. And we'll be back. Well, we got to give it a stir. So let's give it a stir. Oh, that smells good too. Look at that, how good that looks. Yum. So we're going to let it sit here for a little while at 180 degrees to simmer, cook, and let it do its thing. We're going to go ahead. Look at that, how good that looks. Oh, that looks good. jambalaya, folks.